Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. I hope you're all having a great day. I haven't been able to vlog for quite some time, but here it is now. I went to the Quezon Memorial Circle to see the Philippine Orchid Society Garden Bazaar. And wow, the plants are amazing, but wow, they are expensive. Kano yun?
1.5 yung ano man.
Ganda ng mga pulang-pula, oh. Yung pulang-pula na yan. Magkano yan?
Lang sila.
5 yun. Naku!
Lubog na lubog din pala mga yan. Oo, yun na lang.
Native Medinilla. So, 12,000.
Pero yung nabili ko doon, na
Travels, Gardens, Ikinobo, Ikebana, Zero Waste Gardening, Making Money, Painting, Family, Friends, Prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.